Hello everyone! Start off by taking two sections of hair from the front, twist it in on itself and then using your fingers loosen it. Repeat this process until you reach the base of the scalp. Once you reach the bottom, you may normally braid the hair. Then proceed to roll it over and make it into a bun-like shape. For our next hairdo, leave out a section of the hair on the left side and then on the remaining hair, make a braid out of it. Roll it over and then take the section of the hair that you have left out on the left side and then make a braid out of it. Loosen the strands using your fingers. After this, roll it around the braid and add a decorative clip. Take two sections of the hair from the front, roll it in on itself to form two twists. Then divide the rest of the hair into two portions. Make a braid on the left side. Using your fingers, loosen the strands of the braid on the left and the right side. Repeat the same process on the right side and roll the braids up. Take a section of the hair from the left and the right side and then join them at the back and the center. Then take two strands of hair on either side and twist it tight in the middle. Take a section of the hair from the left and the right side, twist it in on itself in order to form two twists. Then divide the hair into two portions and then braid the left side. Once you are done braiding the left side, braid the right side as well. Put the left braid into the left twist and the right into the right and then join the bottoms. Next, take a section of the hair from the top and then tie it up. Twist it in on itself and then using your fingers loosen some strands of hair. Repeat this process. Take two sections of the hair, join it in the middle and then twist it in on itself and then loosen it using your fingers. Next, take a section of the hair from the front, tie it up at the back, use your fingers to loosen it. Leave out a section on the left side and then braid this section. Once again, using your fingers, loosen it. Tie this around your first half pony. Next, take a section of the hair from the left and the right side and loosely tie it up at the back. Then take the left section and then insert it into the right twist. Braid up the right side of the hair. Roll it upwards and then add a decorative clip. Take two sections of the hair from the left side, divide it into two portions and then twist them together. Do the same on the right side and then join it at the center. Make a bun at the bottom and then roll it inwards. Comb it in and add a decorative clip. Thank you for watching.